Hi, I am Soubhagya, head girl of Modern Sandeepni School with my teammate
Abhay.
We are here to demonstrate our project which we have created on Python and MySQL using connectivity, which is Sleep Health Data Analysis System to manage data efficiently. This is our project Sleep Health Analysis System, and the objective is to examine sleep duration, quality and associated health metrics. This is the source code, so now let's delve into the Python which is heart of the project. This is the source code which I have created in Python. This all I have written in the code, and let's execute it. Let me enter the data. So now to analyze the data, we entered 4 and this is how the data is analyzed. This project exemplifies to our commitment to real-world applications. Join us at Modern Sandeepni School to turn your ideas into impactful solutions.
Thank you.